Gising ko lang guys. Pala yung narinta namin na place. Very worst. Sa lahat ng pinuntahan namin na at narintan, ito yung pinaka-worst. Akala namin nice. Yun pala hindi. Yung tulog ko siguro, konti lang. Kasi yung bed is only good for one person, not for two. Well, it's hard pag nasa ibang lugar ka. And it's hard to find a place na nice, na comfortable. Anyways, guys, today maghanap kami ng restaurant or any place na makakain kami. And we are looking another place to stay because we are not comfortable with the place na narentahan namin ngayon. Bye. Thank you for watching.